Nothing beats a warm, comforting bowl of noodles. Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are making Keema Noodle Soup with a rich homemade chicken broth, my favorite base for almost all soups. You might have seen this broth in my chicken Thukpa recipe, but this version is a little different. Both are simple and super flavorful. And of course, we can't forget the classic tomato chutney that goes with everything. Momo, Thukpa, shafali, and anything. Let's cook this delicious combo. Just heat a heavy bottom pot and add a tablespoon of oil. Temper some carom seeds. Sorry, this part of video got deleted, so I couldn't show it here. Then add 900 to 1 kg of chicken bones into the pot. Next, roughly chop 2 medium onions and add them into the pot. Then chop 2 medium carrots into the big chunks and add those in as well. Take a long leek, separate the leaves, cut it in the middle, and chop everything into the large pieces. Now chop these leaves into the big pieces and add them to the soup pot. Take a small piece of ginger, slice it and roughly crush it using a stone grinder. Add it to the soup for extra flavor. Add a little more ginger if you like and roughly crush them into the stone grinder and add it to the pot as well, followed by some salt to taste. Give everything a quick mix. Then pour in plenty of water. Fill the stock pot almost to the top. Cover the pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid. The broth will have reduced slightly. So add a cup of water and continue cooking on low heat for another 30 minutes. Now the broth is ready. The total cooking time for this was about 1 hour. You can use this broth for thukpa, soups or for many other dishes. It adds amazing flavor. I'm going to let it simmer for some time while I cook the keema for my keema noodles. Moving on to the keema, I'm taking around 500 grams of minced chicken. Also 2 medium onions. I have already peeled and washed them. Here I'm just finely chopping before adding them to the chicken keema. I have peeled 1 whole garlic and a small piece of ginger. You can finely chop or grate them instead of using ginger garlic paste. Well, I prefer grating because it gives a fresher, more natural flavor to the dish. Once everything is ready, let's heat a pot and start cooking our keema. Once the pot is nice and hot, add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up for a few seconds. Now add the grated ginger garlic. Be careful, it may splatter. You can lower the heat slightly and give it a stir. Sauté until it turns nice and golden. Then add all the chopped onions. Keep stirring and cook until the onions are soft and golden brown. Now it's time to add our chicken keema. Once you add the chicken, break it with a spatula. Add salt to taste. and mix everything well. Let the chicken cook on medium heat for a few minutes. These are freshly harvested coriander leaves from my kitchen garden. I have washed them well, just chopping and keeping them aside for later. They will add such a fresh, vibrant flavor to our keema noodles. Give the keema a stir and cook for 2 more minutes so the chicken separates nicely and does not stick. Now add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and mix everything well. I also have some freshly harvested pak choy leaves. I have washed them well, just add them straight into the chicken. Our broth has been simmering and is ready. Carefully ladle out some soup from the pot and add it to the keema. Pour in as much broth as you like. About 1 and 1.5 large bowls should be enough. The noodles should be nicely covered with the soup. After adding the broth, just stir everything together and let it gently come to a boil. Now it's time to make our simple tomato chutney. I've roasted 2 medium tomatoes. I'm using 2 dollies for that nice spicy kick. Them to the jar along with some salt and 2 garlic cloves. Peel the skin of roasted tomatoes, cut them into small pieces and add them to the jar as well. Blend everything for a few seconds and that's it. If you do not have dolly chilies, you can easily replace them with soaked red dry chilies. It's quick and easy to make. This chutney adds an extra kick to our noodle bowls. Honestly, my noodles feel incomplete without it. Well, you can enjoy this tomato chutney with anything, Momo, Thukpa or any meal. You can add more chilies if you like it extra spicy. And just like that, our simple tomato chutney is ready. Now that our keema and broth have come to a boil, it's time to add the noodles. I have already cooked my noodles. You can use any noodles of your choice. Just follow the package instruction or you can check out my Thukpa recipe to see how I cook them. Add the noodles to the pot and gently mix everything together. Add a small splash of dark soy sauce and give it another quick mix. And that's it. Cover and let it come to a quick boil. Now everything is cooked, turn off the heat and take the pot off the stove. Our Keema Noodle Soup is ready. Take a bowl and serve the noodles hot and pour some extra soup over the top. We have slow cooked the broth, prepared the keema and made the chutney. Now everything comes together in one bowl. This is what I call true comfort food. The aroma is just amazing right now. Simple ingredients, yet so satisfying and wholesome. Hot, hearty, and full of flavor. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves, a spoon of tomato chutney, and a splash of chili oil if you like. And just like that, our comforting bowl of keema noodles is ready. Dig in and enjoy the simple yet amazing flavors. This bowl will surely warm you up. Do try out and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Check out my other recipes too and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more warm and homely dishes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next one.